children fall sick in the summer, eye allergy, skin allergy, some kids get bleeding from the nose. Some of your children are like very good in sports, you are going to put them to sports activities, some of them extracurricular activities, wherever your child will learn a new skill. So all of us parents have different responsibilities towards our children, because we just don't get our children into this world to let them go and take our name ahead. We want to make sure that they are going to survive in this life ahead, because today's time, if you are not skill based, if you don't have extracurricular activities, you cannot survive. Just studying in four walls is not enough, and that's why we've been telling that we need this change. NEP is great, but how it's implemented is wrong, and I think so parents will have all read this. You all have not blindly come here today. You all have come here for one reason, is because there is a certain imposition which has done, not in the start of the year, academic year, but suddenly after the second term has started. So we will be doing the press bite. So this is just for you all to say, Jo Bhai Guru, thank you, and please clap for me. So that you all can, we can address everyone. Parents, please come this side. Parents are going to speak also. Any children who would like to voice up? Okay, thank you parents for coming today. You can see on the 27th of February, we were 25 parents who had come to meet the Director of Education, along with around 300 signatures. Today you can see the amount of parents, PTA heads who have come representing their different schools over here. Many of them have sent emails. My email is actually blocked because of continuous email flow that has been happening. The whole reason why we are all here today is one reason is because we have been asked to do our submission of our objections today by the 17th of March. If everyone knows that on the 13th of March, there was an official gazette being published where it was said that the education department is asking for objections and suggestions. And also in this gazette, there has been an error where 11th standard details have not been mentioned. So there has been a hurriness that has been done by the education department in a rush because of the court requirements